Did you know that aging can be the beginning of a new phase, full of energy and discoveries? While many believe that aging brings limitations, the truth is that you can turn the process into an opportunity to feel more active, rejuvenated, and in control of your health. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down, and today, I'll show you exactly how that's possible. In this video, we'll explore transformative hobbies that can revolutionize your routine, bringing more energy, mobility, and a fresh perspective to fully enjoy life. These are not quick fixes, but long-term practices that promote physical and mental well-being, helping you age with health and vitality. Pay attention. The last tip is special. It can completely change your relationship with physical activity, offering an approach so practical and efficient that you'll want to start today. Don't miss it, as this information could transform your life in your golden years. But before we begin, why not join this journey toward a more active and energetic life? Subscribe to the channel now and activate notifications so you don't miss any content that could change your daily life. If this video inspires you, leave the number 1 in the comments. This way, I'll know we're on the right track. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for improvement, type 2. Your participation is very important to me. Now get ready, because what's coming next could completely change how you approach aging. Let's do this together. Tip number 1. Sleep well and live better. Have you ever stopped to think about the importance of a good night's sleep for your health and quality of life? Sleeping well isn't just a pause in your day. It's the foundation of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. As we age, especially after 70 or 80, it becomes even more essential. Sleeping well isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. During sleep, our body and mind go through a deep recovery process. This rest recharges our energy, brings mental clarity, and provides emotional balance to face the next day with vitality. It's like recharging a battery to live every moment more intensely. However, sleep patterns can change over time. The deep rest of youth may give way to frequent awakenings or difficulty falling asleep. This can be frustrating, but also a signal that we need to pay more attention to sleep. How sleep directly impacts your health. Few people realize that sleep is when the body recovers from daily wear, organizes memories, and regulates emotions. Sleeping well strengthens the immune system, improves mood, reduces the risk of anxiety and depression, and is essential for brain health. Imagine waking up every morning with renewed energy, an alert mind, and a light heart. It's possible. All you need to do is prioritize sleep. An inspiring story: My Grandmother and the Power of Sleep. At 70, my grandmother began feeling her energy drain and her enthusiasm diminish. She made simple changes. She started sleeping and waking up at the same time every day, avoided bright lights at night, and transformed her bedroom into a cozy and welcoming space. The result was transformative. She regained vitality, became happier, and approached each day with renewed enthusiasm. Proven benefits of quality sleep: improves memory and concentration, regulates mood and reduces the risk of depression, strengthens the immune system, promotes healing and renewal processes in the body, increases energy and readiness to seize the day. Practical tips for better sleep: keep a regular sleep and wake schedule, avoid bright lights and electronic devices before bedtime. Create a comfortable environment in your bedroom, quiet, dark, and cozy. Try a relaxing routine, such as meditating or reading a book. Tip number 2. Yoga, a path to aging with vitality. Did you know that yoga can be one of the most transformative practices for aging with health and energy? More than just simple physical exercises, yoga combines mindful movements and relaxation, connecting body, mind, and spirit. For those over 70, it becomes a true ally in the quest for balance, vitality, and well-being. Why is yoga so special? Yoga is not just about stretching or moving your body. It offers a calm and adaptable approach that keeps the body active while soothing the mind. Among its many benefits, yoga improves flexibility, reducing discomfort in muscles and joints. Balance, essential for preventing falls. Muscle strength, helping maintain independence and mobility. Emotional well-being, relieving stress, and promoting a revitalizing inner peace. As years go by, it's natural for the body to face limitations, such as stiffer muscles and less flexible joints. But this is where yoga makes a difference. It provides gentle and easy movements, helping to strengthen the body without excessive effort. Practicing yoga regularly can revolutionize your routine. It makes everyday tasks like standing up, walking, or reaching for objects much easier and more comfortable. Additionally, muscle strengthening and flexibility help prevent falls, which is crucial for maintaining independence in older age. Tip number 3. Tai Chi, the art of meditation in motion. Have you heard of Tai Chi? This ancient practice is known for its smooth and harmonious movements, but it goes far beyond simple physical exercise. Often called meditation in motion, Tai Chi combines slow and controlled movements with a mindful approach, providing benefits for the body, mind, and soul. Why is Tai Chi ideal for older adults? Tai Chi is particularly valuable for seniors because it offers a wide range of benefits tailored to the needs of this life stage. One of its main highlights is its ability to reduce the risk of falls, a common problem that can compromise independence and quality of life. Regular practice significantly improves balance and stability, helping prevent accidents. Benefits of Tai Chi: strengthens muscles, making the body more resilient, enhances body awareness, essential for improving mobility and confidence, improves motor coordination, making daily tasks easier. Tai Chi is not just physical, it also profoundly impacts the mind and soul. With its slow movements synchronized with breathing, practitioners often report feelings of calm, inner balance, and stress reduction. Tip number 4. Mindful eating. Nourish your body and life. Have you ever considered the impact of food on your health and energy? Eating well isn't just about maintaining weight. It's a direct investment in vitality, longevity, and quality of life. In later years, this becomes even more crucial as our bodies need specific nutrients to stay strong and healthy. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating goes beyond counting calories or following restrictive diets. It's about choosing the right foods at the right time while paying attention to what your body truly needs. It's about listening to your body's signals, savoring every meal, and prioritizing ingredients that nourish and revitalize. Benefits of mindful eating in later years: strengthens the immune system, preventing illnesses and keeping the body protected, improves energy and vitality, providing the fuel needed to face the day with enthusiasm, promotes bone health. Nutrients like calcium and vitamin D are essential to prevent osteoporosis, supports heart health. Healthy fats help keep the heart in shape. Conclusion: see how small changes can completely transform how you approach aging. Each tip shared here, from sleeping better to connecting with your body through yoga or Tai Chi, are simple yet powerful ways to live with more vitality and joy. Now it's your turn. Which of these practices caught your attention the most? Have you tried any or plan to start? Share your experiences in the comments.